Hello everyone, it's lesson number 29, HSK2, chapter 15. Last chapter in HSK2. So, in this lesson, we'll have a few new words. So, let's start. First one, 新年, New Year. 新年, so 新 is new and 年 is year. Wish everyone a happy new year. 祝大家新年快乐. 祝 to wish something. 大家 everyone or all or everyone 新年快乐. So 快乐 is happy and used with when you happy new year, happy birthday. This 快乐 is used a lot. 祝大家新年快乐. We are going back to our hometown for the new year. 新年 so new year or for the new year in English, but we just say 新年我们要回老家. So 要 is like going to do something. 回 to return. 老家 so 老 is like old. 家 home so old home or hometown. 新年我们要回老家. 老家 So next one. This is the New Year gift I'm giving you. 这是我送给你的新年礼物. So let's start from the end. 新年礼物 New Year's gift. 新年礼物 And which one? And they describe 我送给你 I give or send I give to you. So 送给 or you can say give towards something to you. 送给你 give to you. And 这是 this is 这是我送给你的新年礼物。礼物 for gift. Next one, 票 ticket for any activities. For example, I want to buy a ticket to Beijing. 我要买一张去北京的票. As you can see, 我要买 I want to buy or I'm going to buy 一张 so 张 measure word for flat objects, tickets, paper, table, so a lot of different variation, but here's just for paper. 一张票 so one ticket 票 but which ticket? 去北京的票 so go to Beijing for to Beijing. 我要买一张去北京的票. How much is your plane ticket? 你的飞机票是多少钱？你的飞机票 so 飞机 is airplane 票 ticket 飞机票是多少钱 How much money or how many money 多少钱？你的飞机票是多少钱？ Please let me see your ticket. 请给我看看你的票。Please give me a look. 请给我看看 to see to look. So this the duplication for more casual way or more quickly way to just glance at ticket. 我看看你的票 your ticket. 请给我看看你的票。Next one, 旅游 to travel or tourism. 旅游 We are planning to travel to China next year. 我们准备 so 准备 to prepare or planning 明年 next year 明年去中国 go to China 去中国旅游 travel or traveling or for tourism so sometimes you just use as a verb. 我们准备明年去中国旅游 Traveling is a happy thing. 旅游是一件快乐的事情。旅游 traveling is a matter of thing 事情 and which 一件快乐的快乐 a happy thing so 旅游是一件 so 件 measure word for things or you can say 快乐的事 or 事情 is also okay 一件快乐的事情 Do you also like traveling? 你也喜欢旅游吗？你也喜欢 you also like 也喜欢旅游 traveling and more question 你也喜欢旅游吗 Next one 火车站 railway station 火车站 so 火 fire 车 car so together is train and 站 for station so 火车站 Is the train station far from here 火车站离这里 so from here 远吗 far and more for question 火车站离这里远吗 so 远 is for far and 离 show from some distance I'm waiting for you at the train station 我在火车站等你 so I'm at train station 在火车站等你等 to wait something 等你 wait for you 我在火车站等你 Excuse me, how do I get to the train station? 请问 excuse me, may I ask? 怎么去火车站 So 怎么 how to go? So how do I get how to go? 怎么去火车站 Train station. So in English, to the train station, but in Chinese, there is no any just how go train station. 请问怎么去火车站 Next one, in. So if last lesson we have 晴 for sunny weather, but this one in overcast. So when a lot of cloud is shade. So this in has a lot of meanings, but here just overcast. Today is overcast. There is no sun. 今天是阴天，阴天 overcast. 没有，阴天 cloudy day. 没有太阳 so there is no sun 没有太阳今天是阴天没有太阳 so this yang yin yang you know this yin yang Chinese system but this yin and this yang is not from this yin yang system but the same character but here is another meaning also it is overcast it is very hot 虽然是阴天 so even if it's cloudy overcast 虽然是阴天但是很热 but it's very hot 但是很热 so as you can see 虽然 works together with 但是 but in English there is no translation for but it's still the same meaning 虽然是阴天但是很热I don't like going out when it's overcast. 阴天的时候 so 的时候 at the time of something, so when there is cloudy. 阴天的时候我不喜欢出门 I don't like to go out. 出门 so go out of the door 门 for door and 出 is show out. But it just means go to city and enjoy, not just go to the city, so don't want. 阴天的时候，我不喜欢出门。出门。Next one，热 sun or day，热。What is the day today？今天是几月几日？So this sun 日 is really sun, but now for sun we use 太阳 for sun, but in ancient China, 日 is also for sun, and now is also sometimes for sun, but mostly for day. Now it's usually for day. We also know 天 as a day, right? 今天 today. But 日 you can say works as a date. Date or number, calendar, day. Let's see. What is it? What is the day today? 今天是几月几日 So 几月 how many or which how many month or which month 几月几日 which day In English just is a date but in Chinese 几月几日 date，今天是几月几日？He was born in February on February 5th。他在2月5日出生。哇，好像 Cristiano Ronaldo。他在2月是吧？As a second month，2月5日 5 day，so fifth of February，2月5日出生。So 出生 to born，生 is to be born，and 出 also show go out。So 他在2月5日出生。This diary is mine。这本日记是我的。这本本 major word for some books or diary。日记 so 日 is like daily， 记 is to make a note so every day you take a note so diary you can also say journal book log。这本日记是我的 is mine 我的。Next one 大家 so big family but it translates as all or everyone。Hello everyone, I am a new student。大家好，大家好。Hello everyone，我是新来的学生。So 学生 student， 新来 new come or a new student。我是新来的学生。Students are just new come， 新来的 newly arrived。大家好，我是新来的学生。Does everyone know about this matter？大家都知道这件事吗？大家都 is like also for everyone。知道 know 这件事 this thing 这件事这个事或这件事 and more for question。大家都知道这件事吗？Everyone please read together。请大家 so please everyone， 请大家一起读。读 is read， but it's mean mostly used sometimes read as a read aloud. You can say 看书 to read a book, but you also can say 读书 is also read a book, but it has a few other meanings. For example, study in university, you also say 读书。请大家一起 together， 一起读，一起读，一起读。更 more or even. So let's see. I want to buy an even bigger house. 我想买 I want to buy 个更大的房子。更大的 more big or even bigger 更大的房子 house or apartment。我想买个更大的房子。This piece of clothing is even more beautiful。这件衣服更漂亮。这件衣服 so this piece of clothing 件 major word 衣服 clothes 更漂亮。Even more beautiful or just you can just say more beautiful is also okay。更漂亮。这件衣服更漂亮。He runs even faster。他跑得更快。So 跑 to run 快 fast and 更快 faster。他跑得更快。And this the you can say connect adjective with verb. In English it's the same, but for example, if he runs even slower, 他跑得更慢。So this 慢 is even slowly, even slower. Okay. Just this the is just this for grammar point. 他跑得更快 even more faster, 更快。And last word, 妹妹 younger sister, 妹妹。My younger sister is 5 years old. 我的妹妹5岁了。我的妹妹5岁 5 years old 5岁了。And this may, as you can see, on the right side, it's character 没来、没未、未来。还有吗？未来。 So this Wei Mei is a bit from this character. And on the left side, it's new for girl. So, his younger sister is connected with girl. 我的妹妹5岁了. Younger sister likes singing and dancing. 妹妹喜欢唱歌和跳舞。妹妹喜欢 likes 唱歌 to singing or to sing 唱歌和跳舞 and dancing 跳舞。妹妹喜欢唱歌和跳舞。I'm teaching my younger sister to learn Chinese characters. 我在教 so 教 to study to teach somewhere to teach and that's show right now teaching. 我在教妹妹 so his sister 学习汉字 to study to learn Chinese 学习汉字 learn characters 学习汉字。我在教妹妹学习汉字。So let's repeat what we learned today. 新年 New Year 新年票 ticket 票旅游 to travel or tourism 旅游 so could be verb could be noun 火车站 railway station train station 火车站 in overcast or cloudy in but it has a lot of meanings just for 热 sun or day but we know day for date usually or 星期日 is also Sunday so this 日 has a lot of meanings 大家 all or everyone 大家更 more or even 更 more bigger 更快 more fast 更大的 more bigger and more expensive 更贵的 so the 更 is often used and 妹妹 younger sister and in the next lesson we continue our last lesson and we'll practice our dialects so see you